You can use this Flash USDT on XNX for trading and also use for casino games on bc.game, and also use this on Bitrefill for gift card recharge. So in this video I will show you how you can create Flash USDT. Follow my steps. Go to remix.ethereum.org and accept it. First click on create new file, name it usdt.sol. Now enter and go to this code link. You can get the code link from the video description or command. Select all the code, copy and paste it all here on Remix. Close it and now go to Solidity compiler. Choose the compiler version 0.8.30 and click compile. Alright, so now click on deploy and run transaction. Choose the browser extension and choose MetaMask and unlock your wallet. Connect your account. Alright, so our account is now connected. You need around 0.1 Ethereum and some extra. I am trading 100,000 Flash USDT. First, click on token name and type token name Tether and token symbol USDT. Now click on deploy. And on max fee field, type 1 and confirm. Confirm the transaction to deploy the contract. So our contract has been deployed. Now drop down the deployed contract section and click on Flash USDT liquidity bot. Click on the three dots and open in Explorer. Alright, so this is our newly created contract address. Copy the contract address. Now we have to find our contract. Send here 0.1 Ethereum. You can create 0.05 and 0.03 as well. Now continue and confirm. Okay, so our transaction is complete. Now let's refresh the page. So I have added the fund in our contract. Now go back to Remix and click on function. First choose the start function and click on transact. And on max fee field type 1 and confirm. And confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Alright, so our transaction is complete. Now choose the second function, withdrawal. This is our last method. And click on transact and do the same. Type 1 on max fee field and confirm. Confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Alright, so transaction is complete. So we have completed all the steps. Now let's check our MetaMask. Awesome. So we have received our Flash USDT in our MetaMask wallet. Now you can transfer it to anywhere you want. And if you have any queries, you can contact me on Telegram.